Hey David, I've been having trouble concentrating lately. I can't seem to focus on my work or studies. Do you ever experience that?
Absolutely, Sarah. I think lack of focus is something many people struggle with these days. There are several reasons behind it. One common cause is excessive use of electronic devices.
That makes sense. I spend a lot of time on my phone and computer. How does that affect our ability to concentrate?
Well, prolonged screen time can lead to mental fatigue and overstimulation. It's important to take breaks and give our brains a rest. Additionally, the constant notifications and distractions from social media and emails can divert our attention.
So, what can we do to improve our concentration?
One effective method is practicing mindfulness and meditation. Taking a few minutes each day to focus on our breath and clear our minds can help improve our ability to concentrate.
That sounds interesting. How does mindfulness actually work?
Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we train our brains to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, allowing us to better control our focus.
That sounds like something I should try. Are there any other techniques we can use?
Definitely. Another helpful technique is called the Pomodoro Technique. It involves breaking your work into intervals of focused work and short breaks. For example, you can work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break and repeat. It helps maintain focus and prevent burnout.
That's a great idea. I'll give it a try. Are there any lifestyle changes that can help with concentration?
Yes, a healthy lifestyle plays a significant role in improving focus. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for optimal brain function. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, while a nutritious diet and sufficient rest provide the necessary nutrients and recovery time.
I should definitely make time for exercise and take care of my diet. Sometimes, I find it hard to concentrate due to stress. Any tips for managing stress?
Stress can indeed be a major obstacle to concentration. One effective way to manage stress is through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, yoga, or listening to calming music. Taking breaks and engaging in activities you enjoy can also help alleviate stress.
I'll try to incorporate those techniques into my routine. Is there anything else we can do to enhance our focus?
One important aspect is creating a conducive environment for concentration. Minimize distractions by finding a quiet place to work, keeping your workspace organized, and using tools like noise-canceling headphones if needed. Additionally, setting specific goals and breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks can help maintain focus.
Those are great suggestions, David. I feel more motivated to work on improving my concentration now. Thanks for sharing these scientifically backed tips with me.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, developing better concentration takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small improvements along the way. I'm sure you'll see progress soon.
I will keep that in mind. Let's support each other in this journey to better focus. We can check in on each other's progress and offer encouragement.
Absolutely, Sarah. Together, we can overcome distractions and improve our concentration. Good luck, and let's stay focused.
Thank you, David. Good luck to you too. Let's do this.
Indeed, Sarah. Let's make focused concentration a priority in our lives and reap the benefits of improved productivity and mental clarity. It's important to remember that improving concentration is a gradual process, and it requires consistency and perseverance. Let's explore some additional strategies that can further assist us in fixing our concentration scientifically.
That sounds great, David. I'm eager to learn more. What else can we do to enhance our focus?
One effective method is to engage in regular physical exercise. Exercise not only benefits our overall health, but also has a positive impact on our cognitive abilities. It increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the release of endorphins, and improves our mood and mental well-being. By incorporating even moderate exercise, such as a daily walk or a workout routine, we can enhance our concentration and cognitive performance.
That's interesting. I never realized the connection between exercise and concentration. I'll definitely make an effort to include physical activity in my routine. Are there any specific types of exercises that are known to be beneficial for focus?
While any form of physical activity can be beneficial, certain exercises are particularly helpful for concentration. Aerobic exercises, such as jogging, swimming, or cycling, are known to increase oxygen flow to the brain and stimulate the growth of new neurons. Additionally, activities that require coordination and balance, like yoga or Tai Chi, can enhance mindfulness and promote mental clarity.
That's good to know. I'll consider incorporating both aerobic exercises and activities that focus on balance and coordination. Are there any dietary considerations we should keep in mind to improve our concentration?
Absolutely, Sarah. A healthy, well-balanced diet can have a significant impact on our cognitive abilities and concentration. It's important to include foods rich in essential nutrients that support brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon or in walnuts and flax seeds, are known to enhance cognitive performance. Additionally, consuming whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides a steady supply of energy and nutrients that our brains need to function optimally.
I'll make sure to incorporate these brain-boosting foods into my meals. It's fascinating how what we eat can affect our focus. Speaking of meals, what about hydration? Does drinking enough water play a role in concentration?
Absolutely, Sarah. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for optimal brain function. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and difficulty in maintaining focus. It's important to drink enough water throughout the day to ensure that our brains are adequately hydrated. Keeping a water bottle nearby and sipping on water regularly is a simple yet effective way to support our concentration.
I'll definitely be more mindful of my water intake. It's amazing how something as simple as staying hydrated can impact our ability to concentrate. Are there any specific techniques or practices we can adopt to train our minds for better focus?
Yes, Sarah. One practice that has gained popularity in recent years is cognitive training or brain exercises. These exercises involve activities that challenge our cognitive abilities, such as puzzles, memory games, or even learning a new language. By engaging in these activities regularly, we can improve our attention span, memory, and overall cognitive function.
That sounds like a fun way to boost concentration. I'll try to incorporate some brain exercises into my daily routine. It's great to have a variety of techniques and strategies to choose from.
Absolutely, Sarah. It's important to find the methods that work best for you personally. Everyone is different, so it may take some trial and error to discover the most effective approach. The key is to stay committed and consistent with your chosen strategies.
That's a valuable reminder, David. Fixing our concentration scientifically requires patience and dedication. I appreciate your support and encouragement. Let's stay motivated and continue to explore different techniques and approaches together. We can hold each other accountable and provide support along the way.
Absolutely, Sarah. Having a support system is crucial in achieving our goals. We can check in with each other regularly, share our progress, and offer encouragement when needed. It's always helpful to know that we're not alone in this journey.
I couldn't agree more, David. It's reassuring to have someone who understands the challenges we face and can provide guidance and support. Together, we can overcome any obstacles that come our way.
Definitely, Sarah. Remember, it's important to be kind and patient with ourselves as we work on improving our concentration. Rome wasn't built in a day, and developing better focus takes time. It's the small steps and consistent effort that lead to significant improvements over time.
You're right, David. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is our ability to concentrate. I'll remind myself to celebrate even the smallest victories and not get discouraged by setbacks. Progress is progress, no matter how small.
Absolutely, Sarah. Celebrating small victories is a great way to stay motivated and maintain a positive mindset. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goal of better focus and concentration.
I'm grateful to have your guidance and support, David. Your knowledge and insights have given me valuable tools to work on fixing my concentration scientifically. I'm excited to start implementing these strategies and see the positive impact they will have on my life.
I'm glad I could help, Sarah. Remember, the journey to improved concentration is ongoing. As we continue to practice these techniques, we'll develop a stronger ability to focus and maintain our attention on the task at hand.
Absolutely, David. Let's embrace this journey and make a commitment to ourselves to prioritize our focus and concentration. With time, effort, and the right strategies, we can overcome distractions and achieve the level of concentration we desire.
I have full confidence in both of us, Sarah. We have the knowledge, determination, and support to make significant improvements in our ability to focus. Let's stay committed and embrace the scientific methods that will lead us to better concentration.
Thank you, David, for being such a wonderful friend and English teacher. Your guidance has been invaluable, and I'm truly grateful for it. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock our full potential in terms of concentration and focus.
Thank you for your kind words, Sarah. It's been a pleasure helping you, and I'm grateful for our friendship. Together, we will conquer the challenges and unlock the power of our concentration. Good luck, Sarah, and let's stay focused.
Good luck to you too, David. Let's support and motivate each other every step of the way. Here's to a future filled with improved concentration and productivity. We've got this.